Hi everyone! So for today's video, I will teach you how you can easily cut out an image in Canva. So first, you have to pick the image that you would like to cut out. And in this example, I have a picture of a coffee and I would like to remove the wooden floor background and just leave this part of the image. So in here, you can see the Magic Studio section. Just below it, you can also see the background remover feature. You just have to simply click this and the background will automatically be removed. Just a reminder that this feature is only available for Canva Pro subscription, but you can also use the free trial of the subscription for 30 days. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that this helped you on how you can easily cut out an image in Canva. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will see you again on the next one. Bye!